Hi, my name is Chef Charley, and this is my mom, Emily. We are the perfect pair because she loves to cook and I love to eat. Come into our kitchen and see us cook. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit, it's time to eaty.
Hey guys, I am Emily. So today, me and Chef Charley are going to show you how to make some easy protein bites that are great to keep in the fridge, or you can freeze them. They're great to pack in your lunches. It's just 5 simple ingredients. We have chocolate chips, peanut butter, honey, Chef Charley, that's not very professional. We have protein powder and oatmeal. We're just gonna combine all those in a bowl. What I recommend is combining the oats, then we're gonna add the protein powder in. Next, we're gonna add in the chocolate chips. We're adding a 1/4 cup of those. Oh, and I forgot to mention the protein and the oatmeal were both 1/2 cup. I'm sorry. Okay. So next is gonna be peanut butter. Chef Charley, I can't see. Hey! Here, you wanna taste test it? What do you think? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. All right. The last item is honey. We're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of that. Charley, you're so unprofessional at times. Keep your feet out of the dish. Whoops. Okay. And then next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix this up really, really well. Combine all the ingredients. I am. Calm down. And you can mix this with a wooden spoon, a spatula, or if you want, you can wear like latex disposable gloves. I will. You'll get a piece, I promise. Okay. All right. So then after you have this mixed up really, really well, you want to take it and roll it into 1-inch balls and place it onto a plate. I'm telling them right now, you are so bossy. So you want to roll them into 1-inch balls and place them on a plate with a sheet of wax paper to keep them from sticking to the plate, obviously. You can freeze them if you want, and then put them in Ziploc baggies, or just keep them in the fridge and you can have a little sweet snack. You can also substitute like cranberries or raisins, anything you like in place of the chocolate chips. So, Chef Charley, are you ready to taste test? Okay, I guess that was a yes. Let's get our batch out. Go to the fridge. Okay, you are so rude. Okay, so here's the batch that we made. We're gonna taste test these and see how they are. What do you think, Chef Charley? I think that means they were good. Hey, this is mine. I know. You'll get more later. Don't eat on the set. You're rude. All right, guys. So that's the recipe today. You can check it out on my blog at fithomeandhealth.com. If you guys love the video, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and Chef Charley will be back to see you guys soon. Right, Charley? You want to say bye-bye? Okay, I'm sorry. You can do your own thing. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.